Hello friends, this is Nifty Analysis for the day 9th of March 2022. On Monday we were discussing that once 16,800 was broken, we had communicated that there will be no more longs and we are trying to drive it on the downside. If you were to look at the progress of what has happened, the larger picture that we used to usually speak about, every fall and a rise has been within a channel. So the identification of the channel is what the crucial thing to be done right now. And if we were to observe that this channel was there for the first wave downside, then we had another channel that were going upside, the corrective wave of 2. Then now we are in a third wave of downside, but in a different style of channel. Okay, so the basically like the first round of selling and the second round of selling is differentiated by the slope of this particular channel, nothing more than that. So if you were to observe that this was a lean type channel, and at the end of it there was a huge selling witnessed in this particular channel downside. Now, if you were to observe, the prices had been all over the place. That we have been discussing this last 1 month, that the prices will be all over the place. It will be little difficult to identify where the prices are. So the prices had all been all over the places till date. Now, if you were to look at it, we were calling for a channel bottom at around 15,950 to that of 15,800. So it so happened that we had tested 15,800 on the downside both Monday as well as on Tuesday. But if you were to observe that we failed to close below 15,800, which gives us a confidence that the channel bottom or the channel support is actually taking place. Now, there is a gap to be filled. There is a minor resistance that will be seen at 16,220 to that of 16,240 on the upside. Then we have another small resistance that will be coming at 16,380. Ultimately, we will be going on the upside. So if you were to observe this particular channel for the first round of selling, we had a fall which broke down the channel support, tested a new low, and then went back into the channel and almost hit the resistance at the topper end of that particular channel. This time, what I could observe is that we will be taking out these two small resistances. That is, sorry, this is 16,220 and this is small resistance. And most likely, we may not be going and testing all the way till the green upper end of this particular channel. We will be having the next round of selling coming probably by the inner channel resistance line, that is somewhere closer to this particular level, which can be noted somewhere around 16,600 level. Okay, so this is where we most likely will be ending up. 16,400 to that of 16,500. The minor support, that is where we are actually looking out for a top to be formed, the next top to be formed. And there are possibilities that we will be taking out of this resistance as well and move towards the high end, but we do not look at a price above this particular channel top, green channel top, for the immediate swing. So either it will be 16,450 to that of 16,500, or the maximum 16,650 to that of 16,720. These are the resistance wherein we are looking out for the immediate rally as far as the immediate rally is concerned. So if you were to look at it on the intraday chart as well, you can find the same pattern, that there are multiple resistance coming up from in the coming trading sessions in the next few sessions. So ultimately, we are looking out for a top around 16,400 to that of 16,500. Anything above that is welcome, and we will keep tracking how this is progressing. But for the moment, it seems that as long as the main channel support is going to be held, that is at 15,800 on the closing basis, we are most likely going and testing 16,500 or 16,650. This is with regards to the Nifty. When it comes to the Bank Nifty, on Monday we mentioned that uh, previous low has been tested. There are high possibilities that we will be breaking down below this particular support, and we could see actually another 1,000-point fall from here. But it so happened that on Monday and Tuesday as well together, we had a fall of around 2,000 points. Okay, so what we were looking for was a 1,000-point fall from the bottom. It so happened that we had a fall of around 2,000 points. Now there is a lucrative opportunity that is coming up with regards to the Bank Nifty. If Nifty were to rise from 16,000 to that of 16,500, this Bank Nifty has to rise always all from 32,000 to that of 34,500. So approximately 2,500 points upside is there, visible, clearly visible in terms of the Bank Nifty is concerned. Yeah, it should hold on to the yesterday's low of 32,150. So this is the analysis with regards to that of Bank Nifty is concerned. Again, we will be having a huge resistance coming up around 34,300 to that of 34,500 on the upside. So we are looking out for a bounce towards that particular mark, wherein there will be another leg downside happening from that particular point of time. So another thing that is just observe that irrespective of the instruments that we are looking out for across the globe, all the instruments are very volatile because of the war situation that is taking place. So we request to ensure that you take a trade with strict stop losses and try to remain calm and try to take positions if comfortable on the futures. Otherwise, most likely try to take a position in the calls and the puts. The next few trading sessions, try to remain a buyer in dips as long as we do not test 16,500 in Nifty. So yeah, that's it for the day, and keep connected in our group in case of any calls or emergency change in observation and the outlook. I'll keep you posted in that particular group. Thank you for watching this particular video.